How to join a meeting on Zoom app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to join a meeting on Zoom app. So first thing, go to Zoom. This is the homepage as you can see. Now right here you will find many options. Click on the join option right here. After you click on it, now pass your meeting ID right here and choose the name that you want to display and click join. And also you can choose if you want to turn off your camera, video or your audio. From here, easy and fast. After you finish, just click join and you will be joined easy and fast. Also you can join with a personal link name. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.